Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to show you what is Core Web Vitals, along with its 3 essentials metrics, and also going to show you how you can improve these metrics in order to ensure that your website is delivering the best possible user experience and ranking higher in search results. So let's start. What is Core Web Vitals? Core Web Vitals are a set of 3 specific metrics that Google considers essential for delivering a good user experience on the web. These metrics are designed to measure the loading speed, interactivity, and visual stability of a web page. The 3 Core Web Vitals metrics are: largest Contentful Paint, also known as LCP; first input delay, also known as FID; Cumulative Layout Shift, also known as CLS. How Google identified these Core Web Vitals? Google has identified these Core Web Vitals as important user experience signals that webmasters and website owners should prioritize in their efforts to optimize their website's performance. Starting in May 2021, Google began using these Core Web Vitals as ranking signals in its search algorithm. This means that websites that perform well on these metrics may be more likely to rank higher in Google's search results, particularly in the upcoming updates of Google's algorithm. What is largest Contentful Paint? This metric measures the loading speed of the largest content element on a web page, such as an image or video. Here are some steps you can take to improve your LCP. 1. Optimized images. 2. Minimize render blocking resources. 3. Use a content delivery network. 4. Optimize web fonts. 5. Use a faster hosting services. 6. Prioritize above-the-fold content. What is first input delay, FID? This metric measures the time it takes for a web page to respond to a user's first interaction, such as a click or tap. Here are some steps you can take to improve your FID. 1. Optimize JavaScript. 2. Defer non-critical JavaScript. 3. Minimize third-party scripts. 4. Optimize CSS. 5. Optimize server response time. 6. Optimize images. What is Cumulative Layout Shift, CLS? This metric measures the visual stability of a web page during the loading process by quantifying the amount of unexpected layout shift of page content. Here are some steps you can take to improve your CLS. 1. Set dimension for media. 2. Preload web fonts. 3. Avoid inserting content above existing content. 4. Defer non-critical JavaScript. 5. Set a fixed size for ads. 6. Monitor measure CLS. Conclusion. It's important to note that improving your Core Web Vitals metrics is an ongoing process, and may require ongoing monitoring and optimization to maintain optimal performance.